I didn't see you there. No, but seriously. Let's see, it's late at night and I decided at the last minute to make this video. Now, I know you see the title and you're probably wondering, what the heck do I have to possibly tell you at this time of the night that may or may not be important to you? Well, good question. Recently I had went to a bookstore that my boyfriend had introduced me to, and I came across this book. It's The Art of Stillness in a Noisy World by Magnus Fried. Sorry if I misspelled your name. But the reason why I wanted to mention this is because I've only read a few pages of this book thus far, but it has really opened up my mind on a whole nother perspective when it comes to us as in human beings, the species, this generation, this era of humanity. But nonetheless, it really taught me about stillness, of course, and how much time we can give to the outside world rather than to give each other, or I'm not each other, but ourselves enough time. And then that's when it hit me. We give so much of our time to those who we think is worth our time, but do we ever give ourselves the time that we need to create the life or the happiness that we want in ourselves? And then this video was created. Now, I just really wanted to point out the fact that it's okay. It's okay to have self-doubt. It's okay to feel judged or not feel good enough. It's okay to feel like you are too much of a perfectionist and that is never enough time. And it's funny to say that I say all of this because I am that person. Throughout the years, I have struggled with really living my true goal or living my true destiny or my passion because I was so busy trying to be perfect, trying to please everyone, trying to find the perfect in something that I was doing. In reality, there isn't no perfect time in doing anything. Now, just like any other person, I have flaws, I have doubts, I have procrastination or any other issue that someone may have with themselves. But then it made me realize that why do we have all these issues about ourselves? Is it because of what society portrays the perfect person to be like, or the perfect person to fit into a normal life? Or is it just simply the fear of failing, which is also a big thing a lot of us have an issue with? And so I decided, I've had my YouTube channel for years, and in all honesty, without all the years that I've had this and all of the goals and all of the ideas that came to my mind throughout them years, I could have really been big by now, I could have probably been enjoying my life, traveling, doing what I wanted to do, living the dream that I've always wanted to live, but I was so stuck into my own thoughts and so stuck into my own self-doubt that I've procrastinated for years and years and years and years, until now it's like, wow, I'm looking around me and those colleagues, peers, friends, classmates of mine who all had similar dreams or their dreams of their own, and they're achieving it and they're doing it and they're thriving and they're doing an amazing job. And then there's me, Don't get me wrong, I feel grateful for my small business and all that has come throughout the time that I've been having that business, but I know I could do more. I could be more. And I know you can too. We have to get out of our head on thinking that there's a perfect moment to do anything that we want to do. But there's never really a perfect moment on doing something. Life is too short, and I know all of us have opened our eyes with this whole year thus far with the pandemic, COVID, economic issues. A lot has been put into light this past year, and it made me realize that who gives a crap about what people say about my acne, about my tiny little flaws that you may pinpoint throughout this video on my face or anything around me and be like, oh my God, she has that, or oh my God, do you notice that? Like, forget about those moments. We tend to take too much time on what other people think about us that we don't give ourselves the gesture, the feel good moment, you know. Most people wake up in a day and what the first thing they do is scroll through their phone, you know, and I feel like it's washed us into this insecure beings, and enough is enough. I'm sorry if you hear like little squealing. My cat is just like crying. She's crying. But that's really what this is. It's going to be a pointless, senseless, probably makes no kind of sense video, but I promise you in my head it makes all sense. And I want to start being more fearless. I want to start being more free with myself. I know I'm a fun person. I entertain myself on a daily basis. And I also know that I can be a very informative person. And my dream was to always teach those around me on things that I have developed as a person thus far. But that's where the barrier of fear came in, and it stopped me from doing all that I can. I would probably get 5 steps ahead and then trickle back 10 steps because I'm all caged in like a turtle in a shell, thinking, oh my God, this person may not like this. Oh my God, my acne is showing so much in this video. Oh my God, I can't post this. I look ridiculous. Oh my God, I think I just said the wrong word. You know, enough of that. Enough of all of that. Mika wants to be Mika, just like I'm pretty sure any one of you out there just wants to be yourself and be accepted. And you can, just by putting your foot forward. Now, I know, I'm probably practicing. I don't practice what I preach. There I go, making mistakes, but it's okay. You know, but this is where the video comes in as well. I want to revamp my YouTube channel. I want to just have a channel, you know. There's no particular theme. I guess you can call it self-love journey or journey, but I just want my channel to be my growth. I want to take you guys on my journey, share this moment with you, learn things with me, fail with me, laugh with me, cry with me. I just want to be able to be myself and be accepted for who I am, and grow into this beautiful human being, into this beautiful young adult, and to experience life for what it is, you know. I'm excited, and I hope that you guys are excited just as much as I am. Am I fearful? Of course. I'm terrified. I'm petrified to be able to just suck this all up. Even right now, I'm breaking barriers here. I've never felt comfortable just talking in front of the camera, just being me. I always feel like I have to have a script like, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, or thank you guys for subscribing, please come again, you know. Enough of that. I'm not even giving y'all an intro. Hi, how's it going? That's it. But I guess you kind of get what I'm trying to get here with the video. Listen guys, like, life is too short, and I've sat here for years watching my dreams stay loud up in the clouds while everyone else is just living up their thing. Why? Because they just did it. And I, instead of just doing it, kept finding the perfect moment, kept trying to find the perfect tools and knowledge to do anything, and it's really not necessary. So, I don't know if you're the one that needs to hear this, or your friend, or whomever you think may need to hear this, but get off your feet. Wipe them tears away. I know life is hard. Trust me, I'm going through it, and I'm just getting started. You can do this. Whatever you put your mind to, whatever you tell yourself to do, it is possible. I don't want to hear anyone telling you otherwise. No one can stop you from getting to where you need to go but you. And as I must say myself, I know that whatever you're doing or whatever you're trying to do, that you will succeed tremendously just by putting that one step forward and taking that one step into 2 steps, and furthermore after that. It is totally okay, right? My cat just wants some love, and I'm recording. My boyfriend's taking a shower, and she just really has no one at the moment to cuddle with, but I just cuddled with you. Anyway, so let's start this over. Hey y'all, my name is Mika. I think I am a very talkative person, and I'm quite awkward on some days. Nonetheless, really overly emotional, can be shy, and I tend to make a lot of mistakes when I'm nervous. But it's me, you know? I am I'm me. And I'm okay with it. And I'm okay with being judged. I'm okay with not being liked all the time. And I'm going to keep going. And I hope you do the same. So you better get up tomorrow morning, tell yourself you are an amazing person, and get to stepping, girl. Ain't nobody gonna get your dreams going but you. And yeah, so hope you guys love this video. It's pretty much out of the woodworks with this, but it is late and this really just came to my mind. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Peace. All right. Now it's time to go make some tea because your girl has been craving some tea lately, and yeah, I think that's what I'm about to do is get some tea, read this book, and keep pushing. Bye.